Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome to this video tutorial. In this tutorial, we are going to show you how you can update the English 101 writing rubric. In this case, we need to change the writing rubric from points to points range. So let's go ahead, open your Blackboard web page, go to your class, and then scroll to Al-Wajibat assignments. There you will find English 101 Writing Portfolio. Go ahead and click on that folder. Then you will find assignments here. Click on the drop down arrow next to the assignment. And then let's go ahead and click on Edit. Okay, here's the assignment and the attached files. Scroll down until you see Grading. And then you'll see an option here, the English 101 or 102 Writing Rubric. Make sure you go ahead and click on Edit, the third option here. Okay, click on Edit Rubric. Now here it shows that it's under points. Okay, we need to convert that to points range. To do that, just click on the drop down menu and select point range. Okay, we need to make sure the scores are correct. So topic relatedness is 0 to 2. So change the 3 to 2. And task completion should be from 0 to 3. Word count should be from 0 to 5. Format should be 0 to 1. Cohesion should be 0 to 1. Coherence should be 0 to 2. Vocabulary should be from 0 to 4. 4. Grammar should be from 0 to 4. Spelling should be 0 to 4. Punctuation from 0 to 2. And capitalization 0 to 2. Show total points 30. Let's go ahead and click Submit. Make sure points possible shows 30. Alright, let's go ahead and click here to view the rubric. Again, click on Edit Rubric and Points Range, and just double check that these are all correct. And total points are 30. Good. Alright. Click Submit. Alright. That should update the writing assignments. Let's just verify for assignment 2. Okay. Let's go ahead and click Edit. Scroll down. Let's click on Edit Rubric. And just to make sure that they are correct. It's out of 30 and the same points are marked correctly. Good, and click Submit. Alright. And you can do the same just to verify for assignment 3 and assignment 4. Alright. Now for English 102, the writing rubric is going to be out of 40. So change that accordingly. Alright. So that's how you change the writing rubric for the writing portfolio assignments. Thank you for watching this tutorial. Thank you. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah.